Right, so we got a few jobs on the go this morning. Just made up a couple of 1/4 inch hoses for a JLG knuckle boom, O-ring flat seal, but we've covered them up now so you can't see that. But so there's two of them, a couple of metres long. There's a Case 580 Bahco bucket curl ram here, but it ended up being pretty damaged there, and it's a bit bent, and the actual barrel is scored. Probably can't see it with that torch, but it's pretty buggered inside. It's obviously had a failure at some stage previously, so the owner went and found a second-hand one which was in pretty good nick, and we just put a seal kit in it, so it's back working again. Yeah, we've got a couple of 4-in-1 cylinders off a little Yanmar tractor, which we're doing sort of full rebuild on the front end at the moment. So there's the 2 bucket cylinders there, there's 2 main lift, 2 bucket tilt cylinders as well. That's one of them there. That's all the others cleaned up, ready to go. So we're just putting kits in them and then repaint them. This one here, it's probably a little bit hard to see, but the sealing face there, it's not real good on that one, and neither is that one, so we'll cut those off, weld some new ones on. Yeah, when they're all done, we'll paint these 4-in-1 cylinders as well. Got a tilting valve out of a Komatsu articulated dump truck, an old HA25. I'm just waiting on some of the return hose. It's 1 3/4 inch, which is not real common. We keep everything up to 2 inch, but 1 3/4 inch is not something I see much of. So I'm waiting on a bit of that to turn up. Komatsu didn't list any parts for this thing. I was able to get a full diagram off my mate in Komatsu, but they don't support any parts. So it was, the body was getting stuck up in the air and they couldn't get it down, and it's been doing this ever since they bought it, apparently for years. So the spool had a lot of marks through it. Couldn't get one, so we actually stainless steel sleeved the top end of the spool, honed the body. It works all good. Air was just pumping straight through and out the other side when you tried to function, up or down. That's only an alloy body, that top cap, just with a piston in there, so the O-ring was rock hard and not doing anything. So it's all working well now. So I'm just waiting on those bits of hose, then we can put that back together and take that out and fit it, and then make up a few hoses for it when we go back out, because it's a real prick of a job to get to. There's a tiny little hole in front of the seat to inspect, and we ended up having to pull front wheel off and mudguard just to access this. So I'll do those hoses while we're going. Anyway, that's about it for today, unless some breakdowns come in.